Hello Team Hackazards, welcome to the demo of Shortlist. Did you know that a staggering 48% of engineers in India face unemployment? As engineers ourselves, we have seen this challenge firsthand, especially during our own internship cycle. Many talented individuals struggle not only with just the technical interview, but also how effectively they showcase their skills and navigate the hiring process. This critical gap where skills don't translate to employment is the problem we decided to tackle. This is why we built Shortlist, an efficient and reliable AI-powered platform designed to fix the broken job market. So when you land on Shortlist, you are greeted with a clean and modern interface, which is very easy to navigate. You can see all the uses and all the technologies that we have used, like Screenpipe, Groq, Infineon, and MediaPipe. Apart from that, you can also create profile as a candidate and also as a recruiter, and also you can log in. So let's join as a candidate. First, we will type my name. So I'm going to load up. And I will write my email. So abhinav.test@gmail.com and the password will be secret. I will check the database. If it's not in the database already, then it will approve me. Then I will choose my country, choose my name of the university, and then choose companies because Shortlist will take the information and give you recommendation based on that. So my dream company is Google, and I also really like Netflix. Then my top skills. So I love to code in JavaScript. I also like Python, React, Next.js, Python, and AWS. Now my profile is created. So well, this is the dashboard. This dashboard is crafted just for you. It tracks your journey. You can discover new opportunities and get personal recommendation to land your job. First, let's go to the profile because it's prompting me to complete my profile. Let's go there. Now here it is prompting me to upload my resume. Let's upload the resume. Here you can also see all the details that I have previously filled while onboarding. So it has taken care of all of those. Now it has extracted the contents of my resume. My resume was pretty simple. It had everything, and so you can upload any PDF and it will analyze it. I will quickly refresh it. So here we have the resume analyzed. It is giving me some top recommendation. A very important feature of our whole system is that it gives you very personalized study plan. Now I can also generate a roadmap which will tell me what is the whole process that I should follow to reach the qualification for the role that I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a backend role, backend developer. Let's generate the roadmap. This uses Grok in the backend, which is very quick and very accurate. And now it has generated me a beautiful roadmap in mermaid.js, which we can see here. We can also zoom in properly, look at all the things. Mock interview, where you can practice and prepare for these interviews. So let's click on the mock interview section. Yeah, so we can now schedule an interview. I had to turn off my camera in the OBS so that I can use it here. So I will quickly choose the topics, running medium and just making it easy. We can also do some technical topics. Also, if you want to have a HR type interview, then you can select HR here, where you can have different options. Let's do technical only for now. Then let's do web development. I want to do only two questions and I'll schedule the interview. Now it will take me to the mock interview page. Here you can also see my camera. Hello. And if I don't have good posture, if my face is not visible, if not looking at the camera, it will tell me that all of this data is now streamed to Fluvio and it's analyzed live. At the end of the interview, it will tell me all the things how I did in the interview. Right. So let's go to the code section. Let's select Python and let's also start the interview. Apart from that, also I forgot to mention, we also have Sabrina here, our 3D interviewer, who will take my interview today. And it's very nice because very realistic. She will accompany me in the interview and act just like an interviewer. So let's start the interview.
Let's begin the interview. Here is your first question.
Okay, so it gave me the question based on the thing that I selected previously. Write a Python program to find the maximum element in the array of integers. Okay, makes sense. Great. So let's start and then find the maximum, and then maybe we take a list here, this one, and then it will return max. It will return maybe just element 0. I can copy this code right here, paste it here, and send it again.
That is incorrect. Your function does not find the maximum element in the list. It only returns the first element.
Got it. That's correct feedback. It also gave me the correct function. Now, also, now it's done with the first question just like a real interviewer. Now it will give me the next question, which is right here. So now I have to implement depth first search in a graph because I selected graph also, right? And it also gave me a hint of using recursion. Very nice. So, well, typing is boring. It's not really realistic, right? In an interview, you speak a lot. So I also have a speaking mic button here. Let's click that and actually converse with it. Hi Sabrina, I actually don't know how to solve this. Can you give me step-by-step solution of how it's done? Thank you. And as you can see, we are using Grok here, which is very good. It's very fast. It gave me the text very quickly. Now I can send it off and let's wait for a response.
Let me help you with the depth first search function. Here is a step-by-step solution. Now let's move on to the next question. Write a Python function using Flask to create a simple web server that returns hello world.
Great. Because I also selected web development, it's going to give me a question on that. Apart from that, it gave me the solution which seems to be correct. It also gave me an example. That's great. I think I'm going to end the interview here only. Let's go on to the next one. So now let's log in as a recruiter. So this is the email and let's type the password. And you were successfully able to sign in. Here I can create a job and I can also look at the job that I've already put on the platform. I can look at the SD intern. And as you can see, it shows the candidate which has applied to this job. And as you remember, I applied to this job. So I can go to view details. I can look at the resume, all the details of the skills that this person has, all the education, experience skills. That's good. I can schedule an interview if I like it. Let's schedule. I can choose the expiry date. This candidate can give it till the next week. Anytime is fine. Yeah. It should be a technical interview. it should be in Python. It should include topics of strings and medium graph and medium dynamic programming, and also something related to web development, because that is what we do in our company. So it's very customized to your company, all the recruitment, these features, right? And we can also enable Screenpipe, which will ensure that there's no cheating and it's the most secure assessment that is possible online. So yeah, here we are again. Now my real interview has started. As you can see, again we have the camera, which is using MediaPipe and other technologies to detect if my pose is correct, if I'm looking at the camera or not. This will ensure that I'm not talking to anyone, I'm not cheating with my surroundings. I also have Sabrina, who will take my real interview right now. Hi Sabrina. Now we can go to the code section, and we can also see now we have Screenpipe. Now as you can see in the terminal, we have Screenpipe running. This will ensure that I don't have any other app is running or not. When I start the interview, it will also start detecting if I have anything else running.
Let's start with a medium level graph question.
Okay.
Write a Python function to detect a cycle in a directed graph using depth first search.
Okay, now it has given me a question, and I actually don't know how to solve this. So let's go to ChatGPT and cheat in the exam. Now, before I've done that, it has already given me a violation, and all of this will be sent to the interviewer. So he will make sure that I'm not selected, and it has also given the website that I've gone to. So Screenpipe does a great job here, and as you can see, it also gives me a summary of the violation that I did. I did 4 violations, and I used potential use of external resources like ChatGPT during the interview, and all of this data will be sent to the recruiter. Finally, I would also like to thank HackHazard for giving us this opportunity to build this application, and it was really fun for us to build this application in just a span of 6-7 days, and we had great fun. Thank you.